Our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. There are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune and Uranus. Our sun is about 4.6 billion years old and its surface temperature is about 6000 degrees Celsius. This is the life cycle of the sun. The 4 inner planets have dense, rocky compositions, few or no moons and have no ring systems. 3 of the 4 inner planets, Venus, Earth and Mars, have atmospheres substantial enough to generate weather. All have impact craters and tectonic surface features such as rift valleys and volcanoes. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest. It has no natural satellites and its only known geographical features besides impact craters are lobed ridges. Mercury's most negligible atmosphere consists of atoms blasted off its surface by the solar wind. Venus is close in size to Earth and like Earth has a thick mantle around an iron core, a substantial atmosphere and evidence of internal geological activity. However, it is much drier than Earth and its atmosphere is 90 times as dense. Venus has no satellites. It is the hottest planet and most likely due to the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Its atmosphere is regularly replenished by volcanic eruptions. Earth is the largest and the densest of all the inner planets. There is only one known to have current geological activity and is the only place in the universe where life is known to exist. Its liquid hydrosphere is unique amongst the terrestrial planets. Earth's atmosphere is radically different from those of the other planets, having been altered by the presence of life to contain 21% free oxygen. It has one natural satellite, the Moon, the only large satellite of a terrestrial planet in the solar system. Mars is smaller than Earth and Venus. It possesses an atmosphere of mostly carbon dioxide. Its surface peppered with vast volcanoes and rift valleys shows geological activity that may have persisted until as recently as 2 million years ago. Its red color comes from iron oxide or rust in its soil. Mars has 2 tiny natural satellites, Deimos and Phobos. The outer solar system. The outer region of the solar system is home to the gas giants and their large moons. Many short-period comets, including the Centaurs, also orbit in this region. Due to their greater distance from the Sun, the solid objects in the outer solar system contain more ices such as water, ammonia, methane, often called as ices in planetary science, as the colder temperatures allow these compounds to remain solid. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is composed largely of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter's strong internal heat creates a number of semi-permanent features in its atmosphere, such as cloud bands and the Great Red Spot. Jupiter has 63 known satellites. Ganymede, the largest satellite in the solar system, is larger than Mercury. Saturn is distinguished by an extensive ring system. Saturn has 62 confirmed satellites, 2 of which, Titan and Enceladus, show signs of geological activity, though they are largely made of ice. Titan, the second largest moon in the solar system, is larger than Mercury and the only satellite in the solar system with a substantial atmosphere. Uranus is the lightest of the outer planets. Uniquely among the planets, it orbits the Sun on its side. Its axis is tilted over 90 degrees to the elliptical plate. It has a much colder core than the other gas giants and radiates very little heat into space. Uranus has 27 known satellites, the largest ones being Titania, Oberon, Umbriel, Ariel and Miranda. Neptune, though slightly smaller than Uranus, is more massive and therefore more dense. It radiates more internal heat but not as much as Jupiter or Saturn. Neptune has 30 known satellites. The largest is Triton. It is geologically active with geysers of liquid nitrogen.